The intention when we launched Do Surgery was to give surgeons an additional tool in their arsenal. We were looking for a way to allow a surgeon to review articles, presentations, case histories, and learn from this. And the only way to manage this would be to go online.
There has always been a gap between the teaching of colleagues and the feedback and the day-to-day practice. So a website, a very dynamic website, would help to close that gap.
There must be something more independent, more interactive, where you can go there, just find the information you need at the very moment you're looking for it.
This all focused very early then on a web access tool, but more like a closed community, very training, very educational orientated, created by surgeons for surgeons. I mean, the biggest challenge was getting the content. We had camera teams coming to events, films and presentations. We had edited versions of surgical procedures put online, and we actually asked the surgeon community to contribute. So they would come up with suggestions and we would take them from there. The initial reaction from the users was great. The most feedback we got is, this is something we always have been waiting for.
It's exactly what we've been waiting for. So it's what we need. You need to know something about the procedure. You go there and you find your solution.
It's 1 or 2 or 3 maximum clicks away from the content you're looking for. So it's very simple.
This project here is something really new, and it's taking the type of surgery web pages to the next level.
I mean, if we reflect on what we have done over the last 12 months with an extremely small team, as I mentioned before, just 2 people. And we launched about 6 months ago, and in this time we have over 800 members from 51 nations. This is quite an achievement of which we can, I think, be proud of. But we don't want to stop there. We have new things coming. The projection for this year alone is to have more than 2,000 members on Do Surgery. And of course, the more members we have, the more surgeons will contribute. So we are looking at something like a snowball effect. The small snowflake of Do Surgery will eventually become an avalanche of knowledge.